Hey friends, if you wish to fix PowerShell not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, this is a tough situation because what can you do about it? So, first of all, we will try an SFC scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, and then you can type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Next solution is to check for updates. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is a clean boot, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Click on system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.